What I didn't expect to find in Austin, the land of food trucks, awesome barbecue and Tex-Mex, was amazing Vietnamese food. But there it was, Pho Thai Son on Guadalupe Street. We'd worked up an appetite thrifting in the neighborhood and followed their advice to go pho it. Opened in 1994 by immigrants from South Vietnam, this place knocks it out of the park. It's not fancy or expensive, just a great local place with a lively vibe that serves fantastic food. Like this fried chicken with a tangy sweet sauce, it doesn't get any better.
Well, my son just got his chicken, and by the looks of it, Pho Thai Son looks pretty good. This fried chicken is unreal. So good.
I ordered what turned out to be one of the best banh mi sandwiches I've had outside Vietnam. Fresh, crispy veggies and peppers with tender chicken wrapped in a golden, chewy roll. Heavenly.
You know, sometimes a banh mi can be too dry. Not here. This is an excellent banh mi sandwich.
We rounded it all out with the delicious lemongrass tofu that rocked our world.
Tofu lemongrass has like a little cinnamon taste to it. It's so good. Maybe it's not cinnamon, but it tastes like that. I have to say, everything here is fantastic.
Including what I believe to be the holy grail of any Vietnamese food experience, the coffee. In this case, the cold version.
Iced Vietnamese coffee on a warm day. The best.
Vietnamese food with some Lone Star flair. Hook 'em horns, Pho Thai Son.